Unlock the secret to happy customers and a less cluttered inbox by building a powerful FAQ section right within Webflow. First, let's dive into the Webflow designer. We'll start by adding a new section to your page, where our FAQ will live. Think of this as the foundation for all your brilliant answers. Grab the section element from the Add Elements panel and drag it onto your canvas. This section will contain our entire FAQ. You can give it a descriptive name in the Elements panel, like FAQ section. Now, inside our new section, we need a way to organize our questions and answers. The best approach for an FAQ is to use a structure that allows each question to expand and reveal its answer. For this, we'll use Webflow's Accordion element. Locate the Accordion element in the Add Elements panel and drag it inside your FAQ section. This single element handles both the question display and the expandable answer functionality for us. By default, the Accordion element comes with a few placeholder items. We'll customize these. Each item in the accordion represents one question and its corresponding answer. Within each accordion item, you'll find two key components: the accordion header and the accordion content. The header is where you'll put your question, and the content is where the answer will go. Click on the accordion header, and you'll see the text box. This is where you type your first question clearly and concisely. For example, what are your shipping options? Next, select the accordion content element underneath that header. This is where you'll write the detailed answer to your question. Be thorough and helpful here. For instance, you might list your different shipping methods and their estimated delivery times. To add more questions, simply select an existing accordion item, right-click, and choose Duplicate. This duplicates the entire question and answer structure, allowing you to quickly add more by just changing the text. Repeat this process for all your frequently asked questions. Make sure each question is distinct and that the answers are easy to understand. You can easily reorder your FAQ items by dragging and dropping them in the Navigator panel. Finally, don't forget to style your FAQ. Select the accordion element and its internal components to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and borders. A clean and consistent design makes your FAQ accessible and professional. And there you have it, a complete, interactive FAQ section built in Webflow that will significantly improve your website's user experience and customer support. Happy building!